This is the winter weather hazards outlook from the National Weather Service in Marquette, looking at the potential winter weather hazards that will be affecting Upper Michigan through the upcoming weekend into early next week, Monday, February 10th, 2014. While the overall weather pattern will remain relatively tranquil across the upper Great Lakes, there will become some concerns with the continuation of the cold and low wind chill readings, especially through Friday morning, and then that cold weather will last through the upcoming weekend, but the wind chills shouldn't be as dangerously low. The biggest concern period will be late today, late Thursday, through tonight into early Friday morning, with air temperatures expected to fall below zero on most locations overnight tonight, and winds in the 10 to 20 mile an hour range. Wind chills will fall into the minus 15 to minus 30 range overnight tonight into the early morning hours on Friday. While we've had several bouts of these very low wind chills this winter, and this will be another one to add to that list, folks should be prepared and make sure they dress appropriately as they head out early Friday morning. Once air temperatures start to rise a little bit on Friday, the wind chill concern should start to diminish some, although it will remain cold. This continuation of the cold will last through the upcoming weekend with no big storm systems affecting the upper Great Lakes, but yet air temperatures will only be in the 5 to 15 degree range from Friday, Saturday, Sunday, into Monday, and then overnight low temperatures will fall off into the 0 to minus 15 range. So pretty much very persistent pattern for what we've seen from the last several days, and that'll continue through the upcoming weekend, and just a few flurries from time to time through the upcoming weekend. The cold obviously continues to expand the ice cover on Lake Superior. Here's a satellite image taken yesterday, February 5th, Wednesday, showing the aqua colors, the ice cover on Lake Superior. And the area, the eastern lake, has been the last area to start to freeze over, and now it appears there's quite a bit of ice cover across the eastern lake. Lake Superior can now be considered 92% frozen, and with the continuation of the cold into next week, it's quite likely Lake Superior may very well be near 100% frozen by the end of next week. Looking into next week, it looks like we'll stay in this relatively quiet weather pattern with no big storm systems expected to affect Upper Michigan, and the potential exists for a slight warm-up by late next week, and temperatures may actually start to approach normal, which would be temperatures in the upper 20s during the day. So something to look forward to perhaps as we head through next week. Thank you for listening and have a good weekend.